Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the small doily. It's ideal for those who have never made any crochet. Mainly it has chains in it, trebles only here it has, and here. All the rest is all chains, Thread, you can use any type of thread that you like, and the hook, you use the hook that is good with the thread. When you go and buy the thread, you tell them to give you a hook that goes with the thread you're using. We start by making 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go to the first chain that we made, and we make a slip stitch, so we close it like that. Now we continue by making 2 chains, 1, 2, and here in the middle we're going to make 12. In UK they are called double crochet, and in USA they are called single crochet. We have to make 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We continue until we make 12 here in the middle of here. As I told you before, or in UK they call them double crochet, or in USA they call them single crochet. Now the row is ready, as you can see, and we're going to finish it by, we go to the first one here we made, and we make a slip stitch, so we close it like that. Now the next row we're going to make 14 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We go to the first chain here that we have here, the first one here we have, as you can see, and we're going to make a double crochet, or as you call it, a single crochet. Another 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We go to the next chain here, to the next one here that we have, and we make a single crochet or double crochet, as you call it, and we continue all the row like that. In all we have to have 12 like these, but the last one I will show you the last one how you have to make it, because the last one is a little bit different. So we make 11 and then I show you the 12th one how it comes. Here, as you can see, I made 11. Now I arrived at the last one, and instead of 14 I'm going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to turn the thread 4 times on the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to make the last one, pull up a stitch like that, and slip 2 stitches at a time. And that is the last one. We have the last one here. So in all we have 12. Now I'm going to start the next row by making a chain, a single crochet or a double crochet, depending how you call it. Now I'm going to make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to go to the next one here, and I'm going to make a single crochet or a double crochet there. Another 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go to the next one here and do the same. Do a double crochet or a single crochet, how you call it. And I'm going to continue all the row like that. 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go to the next one here and do the same. Do a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it. Continue all the row like that. 8 chains, and you do a single crochet here in the middle. The row is ready, and we're going to finish it with 4 chains, a double treble. We turn the thread 2 times on the hook. We go to the first one we made before. First we slip 2, then another 2, and that is the row ready. Now the next row we're going to make 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go here to the first one here. We make a single crochet or double crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make a treble in UK treble, and in USA double crochet. And we leave it, the last stitch we leave it on the needle. We make another one, we slip 2, and we slip the 3 stitches together. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we make another single crochet, and that is the first one. Now between this one and this one we're going to make 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go to the next one, single crochet or double crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. We make a treble or double crochet in USA. We slip only 2 stitches, we leave the last one on the needle. We make another one, we slip 2 stitches, we leave it on the needle, then we slip the 3 stitches together. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we do another single crochet. So we're going from here to here now, so 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go to the next one, single crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, treble. We only slip the first 2 stitches, we leave it on the needle. We make another one, we slip the stitches, then we slip the 3 stitches together. Another 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet. So, and again we're going to make 8 chains because we're going to the next one, and we continue all the row like that. The row is ready. Now we're going to finish it with 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, because I arrived at the last one here. Single crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to make 3 this time trebles. 1, I leave the last stitch on the needle, 1, 2 and 3, and slip them all together, and that is the row ready. That is how the row finishes. Here I have the other 8 chains. Now I'm going to start the next row by making 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to go here in the first one and I make a single crochet. Another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I go here where I have these 3 in the middle and I make a single crochet. Another 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here where I had made the chains and a single crochet. Another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in the middle of this one, and I make a single crochet or double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here, single crochet USA as I told you, and double crochet UK, and you continue all the row like that. The row is ready. I'm going to finish it with 3 chains here, not 6 chains, 3 chains this time, and I'm going to make a treble. I'm going to go here in the middle of the last one here, and I make a treble, and I finish it like that. That is the row ready. Now we're going to start the next row by making 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I go to the first one here, and I make a single crochet. Another 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. To the next one, and I make a single crochet. Another 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and I go to the next one and I make a single crochet, and you continue all the row like that. 7 chains and a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, here in the middle. The row is ready, and we're going to finish it with 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We go here where we started the 7, and we're going to make a treble. Turn the thread over there, go there and make a treble. Now the next row we're going to make the same. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We go here, single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We go here and a single crochet, and you continue all the row like that. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Go to the next one and single crochet, all the row like that. 7 chains and single. The row is ready, as you can see, and we're going to finish it with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the treble. We go to the first one here that we made before, and we make a treble, and that is another row ready. Now this row we're going to make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the first here and we make a single crochet. Another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go to the next one and we make a single crochet like we did the 2 rows we did before, but now 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and a single crochet in the next one. You continue all the row like that. The row is ready, and we're going to finish it this time with 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we go to the first one here and we make a double crochet, a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it, and that is the row finished. Now I will show you how to make the last row. Now we start the last row. We have to arrive here in the middle of this one, so we're going to start from the middle of this one. So we go in every chain and we make a slip stitch. We go in every chain here and we make a slip stitch until we arrive in the middle chain. So here I am in the middle. I make a single crochet or a double crochet, how you call it. Now I go to the next one here, this one, and I make 13 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in this one I made 13 trebles. I go to the next one and I make in the middle a single crochet. The next one only a single crochet. Again I go to the next one and I make 13 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I made another 13. Now I go to the next one here and I make a single crochet. And then the next one I make 13 trebles again. Another single crochet here, 13 trebles. Or double crochet, how you call them. And you continue all the row like that. And this is the final result, how it comes. It's a small doily, as you can see, and it was not that difficult to make. In it we used a lot of chains, so for those who are new to crochet, they won't find it that difficult to make. And if you don't know how to crochet, I have a video on the basics of crochet, how to crochet, the treble, the chains, everything. Thanks for watching.